is Moiya and this is my kitchen. Today we're gonna make hummus. You will need chickpeas, and now you need for this tahina, lemon juice, cold water, olive oil, salt, and garlic. You can change all these amounts with all of these. If you like lots of garlic, you can put loads of garlic. If you like loads of olive oil, you can put more olive oil. Now we're gonna get our food blender. First we're gonna put in our chickpeas. Now we're gonna add cold water. Now we're gonna put the machine on for 3 minutes. That machine is so loud. Now I'm gonna put the salt and the garlic. Now I'm gonna put the lemon juice. Now I'm gonna put the olive oil. Now I'm gonna put the tahina.
What else do people call that? Tahina and?
Tahini.
Tahini, correct. Wait.
Now we're gonna put the machine on for 2 minutes. Wow, it's nice. So don't forget to subscribe to How to Cook Great Food and lots of love. Bye.
Hummus!